All right. Yo, 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 yo. Good morning. Good morning. What up? What up? Happy Monday. Holy moly. Trader 007. Good morning. G-Man in the building. Good morning. Ismail. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I need to fix. There we go. Junior. Good morning. Trader 007, not a problem. Full port Monday, Junior says. Holy moly. I don't know about full porting. I don't know if I can do that. Ismail might. Ismail might do the full porting for us all. We all know Ismail loves his full ports. Yo, if y'all are in here, do me a favor, bro. Smash a like button. It's a Monday. Let's get the week starting off like with some energy. Huh? Chat? Let's get the week start off with some energy. Let's get the likes going. Chat, we're good over here. We got some sleep. Holy moly, did we get some sleep? Chat, I was in bed by 8:30 and asleep by like 9. Your boy got some sleep. I'm feeling good, baby. And I had my espresso this morning. Chat, you know it's gonna be a good day when you got like a good 8 to 9 hours of sleep and you had espresso in the morning. Chat, real talk. Look me in my eyes when I talk to you. Look at me in my eyes. I need y'all to hit the like button. Hit the like button, or I'll come find all of you. Every last one of you. I will come find you. Hit the like button. Don't make me do it, because I'll do it. Market's open. Good luck to you all. Did I say iced coffee? Ismail, bro, I'll ban you in a heartbeat. We will not talk about iced coffee in my chat. That's just not it. If you not click the like, you will take a stop loss. That's exactly right. So click the like button, or you're gonna lose money today. Chat, that's just it. Forget me coming to find you. I'll come find you later. But if you don't hit the like button, you're losing money today. You're not gonna be green. That should be enough incentive for you guys to hit that like button. Yusuf, good morning. All right, got some sellers coming down. Coming into the building. Big guy from Sunday Open. Yes. Big, big. Big, big. Bo. Hey, yo. What's happening? A little bit of sellers coming through. RM, good morning. ST, good morning. Chat, like I said, if you do not hit the like button, you're not going to make money today. Marika, starting with a new take profit account today. Good luck. The like button has to be smashed in order for everybody to make money. You guys should know this. You guys should know this. Chat, the stream should be looking nice and crisp. We're streaming in, I think I'm streaming in 4K now. I think we're streaming in 4K. That 4K resolution. I want you guys really zoomed in and dialed in when we're in positions. So we're streaming in 4K. So you get every little detail about every little dollar that we make. Not making money. My account is active, but I'll smash anyways. Well, I mean, smash it anyways. Or you'll never make money. Using 1080p and it looked good. Should look good. Should look nice and crispy. All right, sellers moving us back down. Coming down to the 40s. Looking like we're probably going to come down to the low 200s here. Sellers are in the building. Chat, we have a lot of contracts sitting up in the 250s. 104 sitting up at 52. 106 sitting up in the 50s. Chat, y'all see that? Y'all see my Twitter post? Hold on. Chat, let's talk about it. While we're waiting on price to do its thing and just settle and just stop being bipolar for a second. Did y'all see my Twitter post about Top Step considering the idea of adding consistency to Top Step? Chat, did y'all see that? Some random troll Twitter account mentioned Top Step adding 50% consistency to their program, to their fundeds or evals or whatever. And Michael Patak retweeted it, saying they're going to do it. Or well, he's considering it. Not that they're gonna do it, but they are looking at it, and it could be something that they implement. It doesn't make sense, brother. Somebody talk to him. Hold on, chat, I'll show you. Look at this. This random troll account with no followers said many top steps funded traders full port their XFAs with 15 mini contracts. They post images and videos on social media. Is it possible to impose a 50% consistency rule? This is gotta be a troll account. Ain't nobody in their right mind posting on Twitter saying, "Hey, Top Step, please add consistency rule." There is nobody in their right mind, bro. Nobody begging a prop firm to add consistency rule, right? It's got to be a troll account. And then Michael Patuck retweets it and says, "We too see the same. Yes, this is being looked at and may be coming very soon." Chat, I don't know who did this, but I'm going to come find him. I'm going to come find him, bro. It ain't cool. It ain't cool. It was a plant? Probably. It probably was. Buyer sending us up here. Looking like we're going to push higher. I don't know why anybody in their right mind would be like, "Yo, please add consistency rule. Top Step. Too many people are making money. Too many people are making money and posting videos about it on social media. Please stop them." The dumbest thing I ever heard, chat. The dumbest thing I've ever heard. It's got to be fake, though. I think we all know it's a troll account. But the fact that Michael Patuck retweeted it and confirmed that they are considering adding that is about the dumbest thing ever. Now it's looking like she want to rip. We've been bullish all morning. We do have a big gap of the downside, but honestly, I mean, Nas is looking pretty bullish. A lot of the tech stocks are up. Tesla up 5%, Nvidia up 2%. We do got PMI coming up in 5 minutes. Which Ismail just brought up in the comment section. Good job, Ismail. Ismail, speaking of you, bro, I got a lifetime subscription to Babbel, bro. A lifetime subscription to Babbel. And I got a year of unlimited live classes, bro. I'm gonna be speaking to you in your own language here in like 6 months. Mark my words. I'm learning Spanish. I'm committed. Committed. Might just do an all Spanish stream. when I be when I become fluent and I stream here on YouTube, I'm just gonna speak in nothing but Spanish. Got PMI coming out in about 2.5 minutes. Nas rejecting those highs. Dale, good morning. What up? Chad, if you're make sure you're flat if you don't want to get caught in any news event, bro. Make sure you are flat. You do not want to get caught in any news. Got a PMI in about 1.5 minutes. We are trading the Top Step XFA today. The Top Step XFA with some combines and also trading the Tradeify funded accounts today. Price getting a little bouncy. We do got PMI dropping here in about 30 seconds. Make sure you guys are flat so you don't get caught. Choppy chop chop. Yep. All right, there's PMI. Lots of volume. Mario, what up? Good morning. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? All right. PMI is done. Nah, it's still kind of just hovering in these highs here. Thing I don't like about the TradeFi straight funded accounts is 20% consistency, especially when you have a big losing day. Yes, that is the unfortunate thing about straight to funded. Just don't have a big losing day. Easy to say, obviously. Hard thing to do, but just don't have a big losing day. Don't let it get spiral. It's the best thing you can do. Now it's looking like she still just want to go. Now it's looking like she just want to go. Doing good, just sitting back and watching. Well, I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you. Just kind of chilling, letting price just do its thing for a second. We'll look for some good entries here if we can find some. Feeling pretty bullish on the day. Definitely like to find some longs, but we'll see what price gives us. Not the best spot for longs right now. Need a pullback. Yeah. Yeah. Need a little pullback ski. Not down to long up here. Need something to give us a good entry. Sean King in a building, Chicago. What up? He said it, not me. Make sure you guys smash that like button. It does the stream a huge, huge favor, and it's a free way to support. If you don't hit the like button, you're not making money this week. You are not making money this week if you do not smash the like button. Nas trying to get some more buyers in here, send us back higher. Chat, I think we go to 400s. Really just kind of waiting on an entry here. I mean, things look pretty bullish. We may just be going straight up, but we'll see. We will see. NQ, not MNQ. We're gonna trade. This is kind of more of my aggressive account XFA with Top Step. So we're gonna trade a little bit of size today. We're trading MNQs on Tradeify accounts, but Top Step we are trading just one NQ, and it's gonna be quick scalps here. We're not looking for like huge trades or anything like that. Just quick scalps. But Tradeify definitely we're trading MNQs. We won't do minis on Tradeify accounts. Maybe somebody will tweet tariffs. Give us some massive pullback. All right, nah, it's still pushing higher here. Looking pretty good. Chat, we could see 400s today. Pretty much all the tech sector is green. Everything's looking real bullish. So it wouldn't surprise me for us to see 400s. $80 points increase, nothing. Yeah, no, 100%. Yeah, 80 points happens on a 5-minute candle. Just slowly trying to work its way up. Everything is pumping except RTY. Yeah. I mean, things look bullish for now. You know, they look bullish until they don't, but pretty bullish on the day so far. So far, there is nothing really slowing us down. Just continue moving higher. So we continue making new highs. Just looking for a good entry on a pullback so we can ride the train as well. Should have a pullback at 9 a.m. Fingers crossed. We'll see. We will see. We don't really have any news the rest of the day. PMI was really it. Really just kind of looking for some levels that we might potentially go up and test that could give us a pullback. 350s, 360s could give us one, potentially. But I mean, this thing is kind of just slow grinding its way up at the moment. Slow grinding its way up. Need more structure. I agree. I agree. Looking for the structure. $20,400. Yes, I do believe we go to the 400s today. I mean, we're only 60, what is it, 70 points away from 400, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do. Just testing our patience today. Yeah. Uppies. Yeah, Nas is just moving. Does TSX auto liquidate during news events? No. Nope, you can trade news. You can trade the news. Chat, I saw I saw Top Steps doing like 150K subscriber giveaway, and it's not even a discount. it's free coaching. Chat, what is that, bro? They're giving away free coaching as a 150K subscriber giveaway. They're going to coach you and show you how you today can lose $10,000 live on YouTube in the live account. That's called BS. Yes, it is. That is 100% correct. That is what you call BS. The people want discounts. And Top Step is not giving anybody any discounts. They just don't believe in it, bro. They don't. They don't believe in it. They're like, we are not going to give discounts ever to anybody at any point. Top Step is done giving discounts. Top Step's going the way of most companies. Start off great and then start to tweak things and make things worse. Lately, they have been making things worse. Yeah, I agree. I have 5 pro accounts. I'll take profit. Thinking about getting 5 tests just in case I lose the pro accounts. When I pass them, do they keep on charging the monthly subscription after I pass? I am not sure. I don't think so, but I don't know. I'm not 100% sure on that. Speaking of take profit, chat, they are still 30% off with no activation fee. Code JM, lock it in. Lock it in. You see it on the corner, or well, on the right side of your screen there. We are going to do more and more giveaways live on stream as Code JM is used. I think they trolled everyone. They were giving discounts all the time. I blame the jokers in chat begging for discounts. Yeah, I think maybe they just didn't want to become a discounted firm. I mean, that could be it. They just didn't want to be a discount firm. But you could still do like discount giveaways and stuff, you know, without being a discount firm. Just do it periodically, right? They just don't do it, period. You know, Apex, they are constantly a flash sale company. They are a discount prop firm, right? They do flash sales. They trick you into thinking that the flash sale is going to expire, then it expires and they throw up another one, right? That's Apex's marketing, right? Flash sale, 80% off, expires Friday, May 50th. But then on May 51st, it's going to be not 80% off again. causing supply, new traders. Yeah. Well, Top Step knows that that people are still going to use them no matter what they do, right? They are the OGs, the grandfathers, the prop firm of all prop firms, the prop firm that created the prop firm space, right? They have the credibility. So no matter what they do, people are still going to use them. They're still going to have a massive customer base. They're still going to have a ton of people. They're still going to make millions of dollars a month. I mean, it's no matter what, right? Tesla's up 8%. There needs to be a happy medium. Never give discounts is a bummer with an Apex is always discounted. It's if it's always discounted, is it really a discount anymore? Or is that your new price? That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I mean, Apex is not really they show to be a discounted prop firm. Yeah. But their prices are forever like low. So they're not really a discount firm. They're just they price differently and then market it as discounts, right? So it's like I don't know. It's a marketing thing. I get it. I have a marketing background. I know why they do it, but it is what it is. Now it's just consolidating up here in the 320s. A lot of consolidation up here. Waiting on a good entry. I like to, find a good entry for some longs. Maybe down in like what the 290s. I think 290s could be a good long. We'll look and see if price will give us that. If it does, we may look at it and see if we can build some structure there. 293 is the opening range high on the 15-minute. But I would like to see the 90s come into play and take a long from there. The whole Mag 7 is green, green, green. Meta up 3.8%. Nvidia is 2%. Tesla up 8%. Amazon 3%. Amazon ripping. Ripping. Tesla ripping. Everything ripping. Small opening range so far. Yeah. Yep. It's a Monday. It is a Monday. Monday, no news events, really. I mean, we have PMI, but the rest of the day, no news. Could be a slow and choppy one, but we'll see. $15 OR and overnight high in the same zone. Here comes some sellers. Maybe we get into the 290s here. If we can do that, we'll look at some longs. Get pull back into that general area and then build some structure to take a long off of would be beautiful. Trying to get down to those 293s where that opening range high is. Still haven't really pushed it. Patience. Patience, patience, patience is the name of the game. Patience is the name of the game, chat. All right, there's 293s. $293s. Got some sellers coming through. Decent little pullback here. Seeing how heavy we get on this. We are pushing below that 15-minute opening range high. Watching this closely. Just need some sort of like structure or confirmation that we're going to hold that instead of ripping straight back up. We want something to build here. Selling down into the 80s. $70s. Sellers have entered the chat. Lots of selling. Still kind of watching this here. We're trading the 80s. Chat, we took a long and Tradeify accounts. Switch over, show you guys. We did take the long though. We are in micros. 4 micros long at the 92s. See if we get that push back up. Let's keep it moving. See if we can get back higher here. We're retesting the 15-minute high. Would like to get back above it and hold. Set a stop loss down in the 58s. So far, still kind of getting rejected on that 15-minute high. Seller still weighing us down here. SP, good morning. All right, buyers got to get us back above those 300s and hold above the 300s. Give us that strong push, send us back to the highs. Strong push back to the highs. Come on. Come on with it. Come on with it. Nice, looking good. Trading 315s, looking good. Send us to the highs, baby. Come on. I'm moving my stop up. That way, I'm still... Stop is at 276 now. Entry's 292, stop at 276. That way, we're not risking a whole lot anymore. We're in nice profits. There's no point in keeping such a wide stop loss. Let's see if we can get to the highs. Push 338s. Be a great trade. That'd be a beautiful trade. Come on, Naz. Give the people what they want. Give the people what they want. Trading 318s, trying to get to the 338s. I would love that. We're going to try to hold out for the highs here, chat. We're trying to hold out for the highs. If we can get a push on those 338s, we'll move stop up into profit. Just need about 18 more points here. 18 more points, we'll move stop into profit. Looking good. Looking real good. Looking real good. Can you take me higher? We don't want to see any rejections up here. We need it to go. We need it to go. Go, 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 go. Need it to go, 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 go. Come on, Naz, give it to me. Give me the 338s. Give me the 338s. Trying to work our way up there. Chat, I think it'll give it to us. If we just get one little push. We just need one good push here. I think we get the 338s and we get new highs. We just need one good push. All right, stop's going to break even at 292. We're about 30 points in the money. So I feel good about a break even. We just need to get that push. Patience is the name of the game, chat. Patience is the name of the game. Give us that push. I want my 338s, Naz. All right, chat. We'll take off 2. That way we can at least lock in some profits. We took off 2 contracts, and we'll try to let the last 2 run. My last 2 are at break even, so we at least locked in some profits on that. Final 2 contracts are just sitting ready to run. And you know, as the NAS continues to push, we'll trail our stops behind it. Yes, sirski. Oh, baby, give me the 338s. We're still in it. We are still in it, trying to get these 338s to push. Come on with it. Push it. Chat, somebody go drop 100 lots on the NAS and push this to the new highs. Who's got the 1,000 lot banger, bro? Who's got the 1,000 lot? Go put it on there. Go put the 1,000 lot on the NAS. Get me to new highs. One micro on demo should help. Yeah. Yeah. That one micro on demo will move it. That's a market mover. That is a market mover. Push it. Push it. Pushing the 238s. Can we get continuation? Moving our final 2 contracts up in profit to 321. That way, if it does decide to reject and pull back, we'll at least lock in some good gains here. So we're just trailing our final 2 contracts. It could potentially reject it, but we'll at least lock in some good money here. Final 2 contracts are in profit. See if we can squeeze a little more juice. Squeeze a little more juice out of her. She's still trying to hold it. We'll see, though. Still trying to hold it. I would love an all day hold. Like if we can get like a trend just to the upside and just hold this thing all day, I would love that. I would absolutely love that. Needed to squeeze on up here though. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it for your boy. Inching its way higher here. See if we can get a strong push up here. Strong push. Come on. Come on. Come on with it. Selling off here. We're not selling off, but a little bit of a pullback. I'm going to continue trailing here. Wanted a little more push. Coming back below the highs. See if Nas can hold it. Stops at 326. Chilling a little higher, actually. 328. See if we can continue getting the push here. Still in the 340s. Well, back in the 340s. Does it have what it takes to continue higher? Chain still in the 40s. Might get taken out here for profit. Holding on for as long as we can. We're holding on for as long as the Nas will let us. Looking like we come down a little bit lower, though. Just looking at the big picture here, we could potentially come lower. I was, we were at high IB high up there. So, I mean, we'll see. We will see. We are hanging out in this trade, though. Trying to get back into the 40s. Chat, this has been like a 15-minute trade. This is like the longest trade ever. It's trying to decide whether it wants to take me out or go higher. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do, chat? Back in the 40s, trying to push up to those highs again. Nas, I'm with it if you with it. Let's run it. What are we gonna do, Naz? What are we gonna do? We're trading the 37s. A lot of indecision up here, whether we want to go higher or if we're going to come back and pull back a little bit. My stop for the final two contracts is at 28. Might get stopped out here. All right, final two contracts are stopped. Chat, that was a banger. That was a banger. We had an entry at 92. If y'all took that with me, or if you took that trade, give me some W's in the chat, bro. Give me some W's. I want to see the W's. If y'all took a long at the 90s. I know Sean took it. I know G-Man took it. Some W's. Nice little banger trade. Nice little banger trade. Got some W's in the chat. W's, 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 W's. Let's go. That was a good trade. Almost full ported. Don't do it. Don't do it. Price back in the 40s. I did not take it in my TalksUp Express account. We only took that trade in Tradeify. We did start the account, or we did start the day down on the day. We were down 200 on the day with Tradeify. Now we're up 136 with that trade. So, banger. Chat, we talked about it. We had the plan. We wanted to see the 90s come into play. Test the 15-minute opening range. We did that. Took the long. We got it. And there's new highs. Now I want to go run new highs, chat. Now it wants to go run new highs. Go figure. You have a runner? I tried to have two runners, but it tapped me out before it wanted to go run the new highs. That was a beautiful trade too, chat. We took like 0 drawdown. Like we barely took any drawdown on that trade. All right. Still looking a little bit like a pullback here, trading the 30s, rejecting the highs. We did, initial balance is set. So we did run the initial balance, chat. So technically a failed auction could show itself here. Could get a failed auction. Looking like it wants to roll over here. Wants to roll over. Tesla up 10% now. You love to see that. You just love to see it. All right, come back into the 30s here. Chat, what are we up on the day? Let me see some P&Ls in the chat. What's the P&Ls? How are we starting off this Monday? $400 on take profit. Can withdraw it. So stopping on that one. Let's go. GG's. You love to see that. Love to see that. Up 265 on take profit and Tradify. Love it. Love it. 251 in the green with Top Step. $111 on XFAs. Gonna take one more trade. GG's. Everybody's in the green. We went from red to green on our Tradify accounts today. Needed. Up 295, but it's a blown combine, so it's just practice. But still, hey, I mean, hey, you're still up. Still took a trade. You're still green. It counts. 390 on take profit 50K. Nice. 245 on a regular old account. GG's. Everybody is in the green. Love it. I love it. Love it. All right, buyers trying to get us back up to that high, the initial balance high as well. We have IB high at 47. Trying to get back up there. Trying to get back up there. Strong candle passing the high day anchor VWAP. Yeah, dang, price is actually like really slow today. Really slow price. Volume seems to be dying. Just no bueno. We don't want that. We want some volume. Did you get hit with an ad, bro? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Chat, you know what's crazy is I can actually choose where I want to add, like where I want to put ads. So if y'all don't hit the like button, like if likes don't go up, we're just gonna hit you with guys with an ad. That's what we'll do. That's gonna be the punishment for not hitting the like button. Which, by the way, I think that trade that we took deserves a smash of the like button. So if you haven't, hit it. Otherwise, I'm gonna throw on another ad, bro. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna press the button. I will press it. I mean, if you got YouTube Premium, it doesn't really matter because you're not going to see an ad, but all right, so far we're still rejecting up there. Trading back down into the 20s. Sellers look somewhat decent. It's just price is so slow. Like I'm not really too convinced on anything. You like? Oh, is there a scheduled video up right now, chat? What are you talking about? There's a scheduled video. Really? 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 I don't see it. Oh, you mean this one? Okay, good. Like, I don't think I scheduled a video. All right, back in the 330s. Up top says, show your account balance, bro. It's okay to be transparent and relatable, as if I did not just take a trade and show you guys my entry, my exit, everything in between. Chat, this XFA that you see here is $2,000 in profit. So it's $2,700 in profit. It is a new XFA. It's up 2,000. Sorry, it's... Oh my God, bro. Chat, y'all are killing me. Here. Balance. See that? 2,700. Did I lie? No. Didn't lie. Didn't lie. It's a new XFA at up 2,700 bucks. Jesus Christ. All right, we're coming up to the 35s. Do we go up to new highs? Do we have 352s? Do we have 352s? Oh, wait. Y'all can't see a thing on my chart. Hold on. There you go. Kind of just consolidating up here. A lot of indecision. Lots of indecision. Price is trying to work its way back to that IB high. Up top didn't mean anything by it. He's just wanting to see the journey. I get it. I get it. It's all right up top. It's all right. All right. Still consolidating. There is so much indecision up here, chat. We just gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Got to be patient. It's just chopping. Longs up here aren't really the play. Shorts, not ideal as the market's bullish. It's kind of one of those sit back and wait type of time frames, chat. Sit back and wait. If we can build structure up here that makes sense to take a long, then I will. But we need the structure to show itself. I mean, theoretically, you could look at longs here with the stop below 313s. That wouldn't be a bad long. Could potentially be a good one there. Buyer stepping in here. Trying to move us higher. Trying to move us higher. Do we get a break of the IB? We're back in the 40s. About 8 points away from making new highs. Looking like we want to do it. Could be a strong pop as well. If it does. Looking at the 4 hour, there's a lot of wicks around here historically. A lot of indecision around here. A lot of it. Still looking at 10-minute. Try and push back up to these highs here. It looks good to run the highs, honestly. I mean, we might push it. We tested retesting initial balance high. Looks decent to just go. looks decent to just go. Could do a time stop trade where we do a 2 contract breakout, chat. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do a time stop trade. It's only 2 contracts, micros. I'll show you. I sometimes do these time stops where I'll get in like a small position and it has to run in my favor pretty much immediately. And I won't let it go too far down, right? Won't let it go too far down. It has to go pretty much immediately. Trying to get up there. Still moving in my favor. Aggressive entry, trading at 47. Or entries at 47, sorry. Entries 47, trading at 56. I'm going to let it continue to go. I'm going to go ahead and set a break even, chat. This is a very tight break even. Normally, I won't do a tight break even like that. But because my entry is so aggressive and this is a time stop trade, I'm not going to let this go red on me at this point. So it pretty much just has to go, or it's just a no trade. The only problem with time stop trades is most people don't have the discipline to actually kill it when it needs to be killed. So I don't recommend these types of trades, but we'll see if we can squeeze something out of it here. How much time do I do? Not much. It does vary on the trade, honestly. I mean, if it goes in my favor, then time's not in the question, right? Because it's going in my favor. But if it doesn't go immediately and it turns red on me, I'm probably killing it fast. It's not a structure stop, it's a time stop, if that makes sense. The only downside of doing those types of trades is the entries are they're not great. And chances are, I will say like maybe like 8 times out of 10, you're probably going to get stopped out. Like here, like I went to break even very, very fast. Probably going to get stopped out for break even, which is likely to happen pretty much every time you do a trade like this. However, sometimes when you do a time stop trade, you catch the move, right? And so that's what ultimately the goal is, just to try to catch a little bit of the move and continue the trend. But if it stops you out, stops you out. We're not going to lose anything on this trade. So we're entirely risk off. Like I said, the issue is most people, like most like newer traders, will take trades like this, but don't like they just let it run against them. So they'll take the most like aggressive entry, and then it doesn't work out, and then it runs against them, and they don't get out of it. That's the big problem with trades like this, for most newer traders, anyways. Might get tapped for break even here. It has been literally kissing my break even. Look at that, just kissing the break even. Kissing it. We're only 2 micros deep on this. Took a very small position size. See if we can just catch a little bit of the move. If we do end up getting a breakout, we can at least capture some of it. It's kind of just teasing us a little bit. Teasing us a little bit. Kissing my break even again. Kissing the break even. All right, there we go. We're tied for break even. It was worth a shot. Worth a shot. We're dipping back below the initial balance high now. So kind of interesting price action. Very very slow moving. I might do a video on time stop trades. It's honestly a good topic. Not many people talk about those. Not many people talk about time stop trades. We haven't taken a trade in the top step XFA yet. It's all been in Tradeify accounts. Coming back below IB high. Yeah, maybe we look for a short. If we do get back below IB high, I mean, the short might be the play. This XFA is the high risk XFA account. So we'll take a mini short if we're going to get weak up here. But we need to hold below the initial balance high. Otherwise, that's just it's invalid. The short's not there. While we're moving back up. No, they don't most shy away from it because of the discipline it takes to say when you're wrong. Yeah, it does. It really does. Most traders will not do well with time stop trades like that. They can be brutal. All right, getting weak. Coming back below the initial balance high again. Really coming back below the IB high. Chat, I'm gonna take a short on the toss up XFA. Stop at the highs here, risking about 300. Risking 300. We got to hold below the IB high. Because most traders are taught to avoid random trades like how to avoid random trades like that at all costs. If setup is not there, why risk? Yeah, it depends on the trader. Depends on the trader and that trader's specific risk tolerance and also discipline levels. It's very much dependent. All right, we are short from 30 or from 45 1 mini, risking $300. Stop up at the highs. The idea here, Chad, is that we hold below initial balance high. Would indicate a little bit of weakness, and that we could see a move down lower. But we have to stay below it. We're getting back. We're continuing to retest the initial balance high, so we'll see. But as long as we stay below, we have a good chance to come down. Still getting a little bit of, yeah, we're going back up above IB high here. I don't like the buy up off that push. We need it to hold below IB high. We need to hold below IB high here. A lot of retest of it. A lot of retests. And we're buying up here. Don't like the push. Oh, my goodness. What was that? Holy moly, what was that, chat? What was that? I'm watching this. I don't want it to, I don't know what that pop was. Buying all the way back up like that, I don't like either. I don't like buying up like that either. Trying to get back up to the highs there. Looks like we might get stopped out on this. In the XFA here. Trading 353s. And we're gonna get stopped out. Gonna get stopped. All right, stopped out there. We're down 282. 282 on the top step XFA. We did end up popping those highs. I don't know what this was. What was that? That was just a random drop out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. It was worth a shot short. Staying below, I below, indicate a little bit of weakness. We had a good risk to reward there, only down 282. Not bad. We're up in the TradeFi accounts, down in the top step XFA. On to the next. On to the next. Sahil, what's up, brother? Had to pop by the stream for my dog. Loving the green NQ today. Yes, the green NQ. Lots of green. Tesla up almost 10%. Well, was up 10% today. Nvidia, Amazon, everything green. Everything green. What's up, Sahil? My dog. My dog. All right, so we popped those highs. Coming down and retesting them. Trading 361s. Could be a slow grind higher. Slow grinds. I still think we'll get to the 400s. at some point. The 400 seem doable. Did buys all day so far, just waiting for them every time they pull some liquidity from the top and the order board narrows, and then we get a larger 3-minute red candle. Let's grind this thing out. That'd be clutch. Yeah. I've been talking about all day or all morning how we will probably get to the 400s today. Just considering the bullish momentum that we had earlier this morning. Or retest got me a big bag today. Nice. Yeah, we took the same trade. We took a long and the Tradeify counts at 292. Caught a nice long in the Tradeify accounts off that 15-minute retest. We took that in the Tradeify accounts. So we're green in Tradeify, red in Top Step, XFA. Same entry as you. Nice. Yeah, it was a good trade. It was a good setup. We were waiting on it to happen too. We were talking about it as we were making new highs. Or, you know, we were waiting for the pullback to 90s to get that retest, and we got it. Nas feels like it's just in a slow grind up, where we could just, you know, slow grind all day long. Happy to see I'm taking setups that match my favorite traders. Helps give me confidence. I'm looking forward on the right things. Nice. Appreciate you. Glad I'm one of those traders for you. I still believe the IB could come into play today, but we'll see. Possibly. Possibly. Would like to get another good setup in the Tradeify accounts today. Want to run these balances up. Run them up. The trade of the morning was that long off the retest 15-minute OR? Yes, it was. Transparency you share is something I admire a lot. Appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, that's what the industry needs, transparency. Too many people hide behind closed doors. They'll show you all the green, but won't show you all the red. Always said if your favorite guru or favorite trader shows you nothing but green and doesn't show you any red, chances are they full of shit. See, think about it too, like institutions, hedge funds, they have red weeks, red months, right? Red months, chat. And you're telling me that an average, a retail day trader is not having any red days? The retail trader is outperforming all the institutions and hedge funds? Is that what you're telling me? Some people can't take the heat. No, they can't. And no, they can't. Oh man, price is slow, slow, slow. Super slow. Trying to come back down in the IB high here. Interesting. Interesting. We're trying to come back down in the IB high. Make sure to watch some ads. Yeah, I don't know how many ads the YouTube plays, to be honest with you. I know I know my live stream has ads, but I don't know how many they play. All right, we're trading 358s. Thing about the NAS right now is anytime that it does look weak, it goes right back up. It's like a trick into tricking you into thinking that we're going to get weak and we don't. All right, still trading. We're in the 360s. Waiting on something to set up here. NAS on a slow grind up. Today's one of those days we might grind up all day, but there likely will be at least one dip that hunts some stops before it continues up. So trying to stay cautiously optimistic on dips. Yeah. Cautiously is the key word there. Cautiously. All right, coming up to new highs. Or, well, trying to get up to new highs. Trading 65s. The high is up at 71. Feels like a slow grind up all day long. Wish would have helped. That 20% consistency rule on the live fund is something I got to be aware of to get them payments. Yeah. Yeah. That 20% rule will get you. It'll get you. Took one on your personal and letting it go. If it goes red, so be it. I can hold for a long time since my rule. That's true. Yeah. Hold for as long as you want. It's the beauty of personal accounts. All right, we retested the high up there at 71. Trading 65s. Once that is liquidity at 72, once that second we go for a short, maybe, probably. Maybe. We'll see. Personal account tilt for me is why I stopped trading my real money. It hurts less blowing a funded. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, if you get tilted very easily and you can't walk away from a red day, don't trade the personal. It's not a good idea. Not a good idea. So just kind of slow grinding higher. Chat, what news do we have the rest of the week? Let's take a look. The rest of the day today, we got some Fed members. Trump does speak today as well. Tomorrow, we have consumer confidence and new home sales. And then Wednesday, durable goods, Kashkari speaks, crude oil inventories. Thursday's initial jobless claims and GDP. Friday's got consumer spending, PCE. So we got some news events later. Might just be a slow Monday, just given the fact that it's not a whole lot of news. Took 1 month in futures to make back what I lost in 2 years trading options, basically break even until my next payout. Yeah, that's huge. Huge. Options was so hard compared to futures. Yeah, I am not great at options. I will not touch options. Options are not for me. I will lose so much money. I don't understand them. I don't know how to trade options. I just don't even try. I don't even try. Decent selling coming through here. Stay away from options. Yeah, not a chance. Not a chance. I don't understand all of like the delta, the gamma stuff, expiration. I just don't understand it all. I feel like I would just look at an options chain and not know what I'm looking at, and I would just randomly click something. Hot potatoes is what you call it. I would get absolutely destroyed on options. Destroyed. Think it's good to learn options. It can be beneficial if you have capital to buy leaps, but short-term stuff can be brutal, like weeklies or yeah. I know absolutely nothing about it. I should probably learn it. Can go down the YouTube rabbit hole on how to learn options. It's also thanks to options red days that we first talked about tops at 3 years ago. Yeah. Yep. Good old Heman Media Group. Even if your writing creeps up, you can still lose because of time decay. Yeah, see, that's the stuff I don't understand. That's what I don't understand. Chat, I'm tempted to take one more short. We're gonna take one more short here. See if we can get back to IB high, possibly below it. We're risking 245 on this trade. I'd like to see the move back to IB high. Risking 245, entries at 58s. Stop as just above the highs. See if we can get an IB high test here. Maybe even push below it. If we can pop 48s, I'll move my stop down there. All right, we're testing IB high. We're only up about 8 points. See if we can get the move lower here. Back below IB high would be huge. That's what we're wanting. Okay, we're coming below IB high. Can we stay below IB high? Bouncing off of it. We'll just close it out, chat. We'll take the $130 there. We'll take the 130. It could probably come down lower, but price has been kind of choppy and really just all over the place. So we'll take the $130 off that trade. We're now only down $155 on the XFA. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. As slow as price is moving too, it just feels like just the scalps are the play, right? Just you see profit, take it and run. The strength, I agree on that. Huge smart play. Yeah, it just made sense, right? I mean, do we come back down? Probably. We probably will. Looks like we're gonna roll over here, but I'm not trying to get wicked out or stopped out on anything. We've already learned today that price is very slow and choppy. It's been on a slow grind up, but it's been a lot of ups and downs on the way up. And so it just doesn't really make sense to hold for home run trades on a day like today. Now, if we continue lower and do hold below the IB high, we could probably go see the 18s. Just that general range, right? From like maybe 330s to 330s to like 318. We could see that general range. Especially with how the reaction to the IB was pretty strong, especially with how big the wick is on the previous candle that pushed higher. A lot of buyers were there. Yeah. Yep. Looking at the 330s to 318s. General range there. Could be a potential pullback area. However, if we do continue to hold the IB and show a little bit of strength coming off the IB high, could be looking for longs before then. We are retesting the initial balance high again. Just trying to hold above it. Ferdinando holding the short. Get close below that IB high. Might come down. Still hovering that initial balance high at 347. Haven't taken any more trades in the Tradeify account yet. Still waiting for like that A plus 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 setup to take another trade in the Tradeify accounts. Haven't been sold on too much there just yet. Interesting buy up there after retesting the IB high. That's why today is a see profit, take profit kind of day. I wish I could see more on the DOM on Top Step X. I was trying to see if there's a way to extend it, but I can't really see how to extend it. Still hovering above the IB high here. You have to pay a subscription to extend it. Tossip has a subscription to extend the DOM. I didn't know that. How much is a subscription? All right, sellers trying to continue to move down here. We're back below the IB, trading 340s. 40 a month to extend it. How much does it extend it? Is it worth the 40? Getting a little bit of rollover here in the NAS. Little bit of rollover. Coming down to the 38s, looking at that 330 range to 318, give or take. Goes down over 200 points away. Okay. That's not bad, I guess. Not bad. All right, coming down to the 330s. Well, the short would have played, just didn't play it when I wanted it to. Decent move down. Testing 330s. I'm still watching a little bit lower, more down into like the 318s potentially. See if we get price to come down there. Took that short on your funded 332. Nice. GG's. GG's. Going to chill out now. Probably smart. Probably smart. We're still early in the week. We got 4 more days left this week to trade. Head to the gym. Thanks again, bro, for the free content in Discord. God bless. Trade smart. Trade safe. Have a good gym workout, Perkins. I got chest day today myself. Creeping back up to the IB high again. Dreading it. I dread legs. I hate leg day. Cannot stand leg day, bro. Dread always feels good when it's over. You do feel pretty good. You do feel pretty good. All right, we're still trying to push lower. Your personal, it's literally 1 micro, so it can range all at once. It's $240, 240 stop below the low part of the orb. Gonna see what happens with it, but overall 600-ish on the day and happy with it. Yeah, 600 is nice. Until I wake up the next day limping into getting your coffee, for real. Peace out, Perkins. Peace out. Oh man, price is making me sleepy. It's making me sleepy. Need coffee? Got your 330s entries. Let's bounce off this, or 315, 320. Yeah, I've been watching those 318 level in that general range. Hopefully we just get a bounce though. Need coffee? I hear you. I had my espresso earlier this morning, but I feel like it's already kind of wearing off watching this price. This price makes me want to go take a nap. Take a little napski. Might go out and do some sprints to wake up, get the blood flowing. G-Man, bro, look, listen, G. I already told Ismail that I will ban him for talking about iced coffee in my chat. I don't care what you guys say, bro. Coffee is not supposed to be cold. It's not. I don't care if it's 100 degrees outside. Coffee is supposed to be hot. Temperature changes the taste of coffee. And it's not it. It's not it. Give me a hot espresso or death. All right, getting a little bit of a bounce here up at 340s. Iced coffee is for cool people. How about that? No, iced coffee is for not cool people. That was a very bad joke, Ismail. I should just ban you off that, honestly. Not bad when it's 115 degrees outside. Even then, can't do it. If it's 115 degrees outside, I'm not even like I'm drinking like a slushy outside. I'm not even thinking about coffee. Catching a bounce here. Retesting IBI. Just ban him. I might have to. So you don't like iced coffee, but what about smoothies? I love smoothies. Give me a great mango smoothie, bro. A nice cold mango smoothie. I'm in there. Mango's my favorite fruit, chat. Love mangoes. Mango with coffee flavor, bro. Don't disrespect the mango. Don't disrespect the mango. Timeout for FTT. I need to put Ismail. I need to put Ismail in timeout, bro. He need to go on mute for a minute. I have 3 mango trees in the house I bought in the Dominican Republic. Nice. I'm gonna come stay at your house. ST had mango today. Rejected the IB high again. Seller is bringing us back down. Rejected the IB high at the 340s. Back down to the 331s. May have some room for some more downside here. About 10 minutes till the 11 o'clock hour Central, 12 o'clock hour Eastern. I imagine volume is going to continue dying. Might be just a short-lived trading day today. We'll probably come back during power hour, though. I think we're going to stream power hour again. Buyer's trying to hold it. Do buyers hold this on the 330s? Do buyers hold the 330s, chat? Looking decent. Chat, we're going to take a long in the Tradify accounts. Taking a long. I'm going to set a stop just at the low here at 27s. And I'm going to go to the bathroom. Be right back. All right. We're back above IB high. See if we can hold IB high here and get a move. Honestly, back to the highs. So your 330s dip by. Right there at 345. I think we might retest back down, but could just rip to the highs. Yeah, I mean, holding those 330s and then also getting back above IB high is a good signal, but we'll see. It could just reject right back down below IB high. But so far, I like the moves. I like the move back to the highs if we hold IB high. Entries at 43, stop loss at 26. Think it goes higher? We'll see. We got to hold above IB high. If we can hold IB high, I think we do. I'm not going to move my stop. I'm comfortable where my stop is. I don't want to go to break even too early. So we'll see if we can get that move. Trading 53s. We're up about 10 points. If we get a move to the highs, I'll probably go to break even then. Just to be completely risk off. Maybe like 64s. That'd be a 20 point. Yeah. If I go to break even at 64s, that'd be a 20 point stop there. So give me 64s. We'll go to break even. Be right back, chat. All right. Can we go to the highs? Definitely testing my patience levels. Might be the beginning of the next leg to the 400s. I love that. I would love to ride this trade to the 400s. Just needed to get me up there. Volume is not great. No, it's not. Nope, volume is not the best. Take me to the highs. Done for the day, taking your 10 points. GG's. Oh, I don't like seeing that. Come on, Naz. Come on, Naz. Get us up there. Struggling a little bit. A little bit of struggle. Gotta stay above IB high here, chat. Gotta stay above IB high. Retested it. Retested IB high, caught a little bit of buyers. See if that retest can move us to the highs now. About to fire up Black Ops. Got a Call of Duty player in the chat. I want my highs to push here. Chat, am I going to get it? Are we going to get the highs? What do we think? I'm ready to move my stop. We get a pop of the highs, I'll move my stop to the highs. Highs at 71, trading 68. Okay, there's a pop. Get some continuation here. Stops at break even now. I need continuation to go to the highs. Going to the highs on the stops is too tight. We need continuation up here. Gonna hold out and keep riding this. Continuation looks good to keep going here. Chat, what we'll do is we'll take off 2 contracts. All right, so we locked in profit on 2 contracts. Now we just have 2 runners. I'll set a stop loss on these 2 runners at the highs now. So the stop loss on 2 runners is that 68. See how long we can ride this. And what I'll do, chat, is actually I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. So you can see the 1 minute time frame here. And oh, I actually hang on. There we go. On the 1 minute time frame, I'm gonna trail this up higher now. 2 is at final 2 contracts is at 73 as a stop and profit here. So now we're just gonna keep trailing this on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, stopped out there. We are stopped out of the final 2 contracts at 72. That put us up 395 on Tradeify accounts. We were down 250 to start the day from pre-market moves. Now we're up 395 on the Tradeify accounts. Huge. Huge. W's. That was a great trade. That was a great trade. Should have kept your 300 conviction. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it was a good area. It was really just, I think IB high was playing a huge role in this. We needed to get back up, getting back above IB high kind of told the story, right? On us seeing new highs. And you can also see too, chat, like if we go to here, if I drag this down, oh wait, hang on. Like just to show like the importance of the IB. If I go to here, you can see this move up, chat. Once we got above IB high, we got a retest of it and held it. Buyers immediately popped us. So that kind of told the story of seeing new highs. But with that, chat, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. All right, let's call it a morning. Come back during power hour, see if what we can take then. See if we can get some power hour trades. Up 395, the trade fight counts, and in toss up XFA, we're still down 155. You can see in the toss up XFA here, we're down 155 in there. So small red day so far. We'll come back during power hour and see what we can do in the toss up XFAs and see if there's anything else we can take in the trade fight counts as well. Fam, with that said, remember code JM with Tradeify 30% off. And then take profits 30% off as well with no activation fee. Use code JM. The more code JM is used, the more giveaways we're going to do live on streams. We're going to start doing live giveaways on stream here on YouTube. So the more you guys use that code, the more we're going to do those. Fam, with that said, let's have a good day. Power hour stream in YouTube or record? Probably do YouTube. I've been enjoying the YouTube streams. I think we're going to do a power hour stream on YouTube. So, fam, I'll see you then.